Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by quickly assessing the chocolate. If it's lumpy but warm, you can rescue it. Use a clean, dry bowl and chop larger lumps to help even heating. Once done, add 1 teaspoon of neutral oil or 1 teaspoon of cocoa butter per 100 g to improve flow. This reduces viscosity and gloss problems. Make sure to work over gentle heat. Direct flames cause scorching. You want steady, mild warmth to soften particles without seizing the mass. Now you tackle the middle stage, breaking up remaining granules and combining fats. Transfer the softened chocolate to a warm bowl. Use an immersion blender in 1 2-second pulses to avoid aeration, or press through a fine sieve. Meanwhile, keep the double boiler water barely simmering so heat is gentle. If the mixture remains grainy, add small amounts of warm cream or neutral oil while blending. This helps re-emulsify sugar and cocoa solids. Make sure to scrape the bowl and continue until visually smooth. Finish by testing and stabilizing the chocolate for its intended use. Pour a spoonful onto parchment. If it sets with a dull, bumpy surface, you must retemper. Cool until thick but pourable, then gently warm to the correct working temperature for that chocolate type. Once set, store at stable room temperature. If things go wrong, a key troubleshooting tip. For hard-seized chocolate, gently stir in 1 tablespoon of warm cream or oil per 100 g and blend. That often restores smoothness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.